To put in my wishes, I go to the planning page. On the planning page, I see a period where I shall be working on my schedule, which is either in stage 1 or 2, but that depends on the company setup. Here I can see a period in stage 1, which is now open for wishes. At the top of the page you see a process bar. On the left side I see how many hours I have already scheduled, and on the right side I see how many hours I have to work this period to fulfill my duty. It starts by being red and becomes green as you get closer to having a full schedule. Below the process bar I can see the calendar for this period. Blue dots are showing working days, yellow dots are showing paid leave, and red dots unpaid leave or sick days. I can make this calendar disappear by pressing the button here if I want to see the allowed shifts more clearly. Below the calendar I see all possible allowed shifts that I can choose from. On the top of the shifts I see either red, green or no colored line. Red line means that the shift has already enough staff, green line means that the shift is missing employees, and no colored line means that the shift has the right amount of employees. To make a wish for a special shift, I simply click on the shift that I want to work and then press OK. Now I can see a blue dot on the shift, which means I have selected it. I can still choose a shift that has a red line, but it's less likely that I will get that shift as it is fully staffed. If I want to delete a shift that I've already chosen, I can delete it by clicking the shift again and select the 3 dots in the upper right corner. I can also change this shift into a vacation or a veto if I don't want to work that day. Here you can see how I can change a shift that is marked for a work into a vacation or a veto. When putting in a wish for a veto, it is good to put it where the shift is understaffed, like here. Because if the shift is overstaffed, you're not gonna get it anyway. If my wishes are not according to the union rules, I get a warning message. For example, if I try to take a shift on the 28th, I get a warning message because I'm not allowed to work more than 6 days in a row. At the end of each salary period, I can see some statistics for the period I'm currently working on, according to the shifts that I have planned. There I see if my schedule fulfills my duty and how my credit will look like at the end of the period. Here, for example, I see I've only planned 88 hours of work and my duty is 171 hours this month. Once the period has been approved by our administrator, it will be in phase 4 and then I know it's the final schedule.